Hello, this lesson about some activities and things we do every day. First sentence is صحيت الساعة 6 الصبح. صحيت الساعة 6 الصبح. It means I woke up at 6 in the morning. I woke up صحيت الساعة 6 الصبح means 6 o'clock in the morning. الساعة 6 o'clock in the morning الصبح. دخلت الحمام means I entered the toilet. دخلت means I entered or I went in. And الحمام means in Egyptian Arabic means toilet and also used for bathroom. So for both words, we use حمام. أخدت shower means I took a shower. أخدت shower means I took a shower. استحميت means I took bath. means استحميت. سرحت شعري means I combed my hair. my hair. سرحت means I combed. حلقت دقني means I shaved my beard. حلقت means I shaved. دقني my beard. غسلت اسناني means I washed my teeth. Literally it means I washed my teeth. Of course it means I brushed my teeth. غسلت means I washed my teeth سناني. غسلت وشي means I washed my face. رتبت السرير means I made my bed. So after you woke up, you made your bed. So رتبت السرير. سرير means bed. عملت قهوة means I made a coffee. You can say also عملت لنفسي قهوة means I made coffee to myself. لنفسي. فطرت means I had breakfast. أكلت فول وطعمية. أكلت means I ate. فول وطعمية means فول and طعمية. خرجت من البيت means I left the house. خرجت means I went out. من البيت means from the house. Also, if you live in an apartment building, you can say نزلت من البيت. نزلت means I went down. So نزلت من البيت. رحت الشغل means I went to work. الشغل means work. وصلت الشغل means I arrived at work. وصلت means I arrived. خلصت الشغل means I finished the work. خلصت means I finished. مشيت من الشغل means I left work. مشيت means I left, also means I walked. من الشغل means from the work.